Wild, 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 wild. 2:09 p.m. Was out here chopping up some of that stuff I cut down yesterday. Got carried away, started trimming out some of these more trees that are sticking out here. And some big ugly branches off this dead weed tree. They have leaves on the very tips of the branches, but 90% of the tree is dead. But anyways, I was trimming off this big hunk of branch up here when suddenly I noticed this, and that might be one of them orchids, because that's how some orchids grow. So I'm going to leave that. I didn't cut off. I moved. I started my cut here, and then I moved out to here to leave that and see if anything happens there. That could be a bloody orchid. And it just started to sprinkle. Oh, there's another one. Okay. I don't know. Maybe it's the beginning of Spanish moss. I don't know. But if it's an orchid, man, I would love to show you pictures of that. Making more of a mess to clean up. Demo is always fun. It's the cleanup that's the bitch. Anyway, I got this pile broken up pretty damn good until I went and cut down a whole bunch more stuff. But that stuff was intruding. This is going to have to be trimmed too. So this thing here, let's go down the line. That thing there, nothing's supposed to be past this line right here. You see, and that whole damn tree sticking out. But it's high enough. I just got to take it up to where I've got good clearance. Give me clearance for 10 or 15 feet. Because you see on the big old ugly tree, I've still left that big branch up there. But that's up high enough that it's not interfering with my space. My spatial beingness, as it were, when I am out in my yard or looking out in my yard or whatever. So, more chopping, cutting, blisters on my fingers. Okay, that's it for today. I hope it rains. It sprinkled. It had like 10 drops and then it stopped. I want a good rain. I want rain. Oh, I did some repair work out back too. I cleaned up those two things that had fallen off the fence and put them in an appropriate place where they're going to be a benefit. And swept the pool up a bit and got the canvas cover or the plastic cover off of the igloo so it doesn't get blown around anymore. What else did I do? That's it. That's enough. Damn it, there was something else. I'll let you know. Bye-bye. By the way, the instant I got in the pool, the instant I dropped down into the water, big bolt of thunder, and it started to rain. So I got my rain just about 10 minutes earlier than I'd hoped for. This is good. We're getting good rain here without the gusting winds. Thunder and lightning happening. Moving very quickly. You can see that's moving very quickly across the sky. It's been going for a good hour now. Maybe an hour and a half, maybe almost 2 hours. Real rain. Actual legitimate rain, getting things wet, getting the ground wet. We really need this. So this is great. I am very happy to see this. When the rain comes, they cheer. Some great lighting too. Okay. Rain in Citrus County.